Good morning, everybody. This is Patti, and I'm bringing you in. Welcome to my channel, Cyber Family. I'm bringing you in because I am about to make some tuna salad. Okay, I have my 3 cans of tuna, Star Kids tuna, and they're in water, but I have drained them, and I am putting them in the bowl. Here, getting all of that out, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. The 3 cans of drained tuna for my tuna salad. I love tuna salad. I have, and actually somebody gave me 6 cans of tuna, so I said I might as well use them. Because I love tuna. I love tuna on crackers, Ritz crackers. I love to put a bed of lettuce down and put my tuna on that. And I love to just eat it on a toasted bun or toasted bread. I have here 4 eggs that I've boiled. And let me tell you how I boil my eggs. I boil the water first and get it to boiling. Then I have my eggs at room temperature, and I ease my eggs and get a large spoon or ladle and ease my eggs in. And then I let my eggs boil for 15 minutes. And when they're done boiling, I run cold water on them, and it's so much easier to crack the shell and they slide right off. I've done a video on that before. This is something I've seen done in my family down through the years, and I've seen others do it as well, so it's nothing new. Okay, I have finely chopped green onion. I like green onion in my salads, and I love the sweet salad cubes. I love the sweet salad cubes. Some people may use the sweet relish, but I like the sweet salad cubes. And you're going to season everything to taste. And this is my mayo, and I'm going to put some mayo in. You season everything to your taste and your liking. And here I have salt and pepper mixed, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that. I'll start out with a little at a time, and then I will put more, add more if I need it. A little bit of onion powder, just a little bit. And I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder. And, okay. A little bit of garlic powder as well. I'm not measuring anything, I'm just putting ingredients in. And let me, I have the mustard. I'm gonna put a little mustard. I don't like a lot of mustard. I like more mayo than mustard. So I'm just gonna put a tad bit of mustard in. Just a little to give it a little color. And I'm also going to put some smoked paprika on top when I'm done. Let me put my gloves on here. I have my 4 boiled eggs, and I like to mash them up with my hands in the tuna. And that's why I'm going to put my glove on here. I'm going to wash it once I get it on. And I'll show you how we'll start out with this, and then I'll come back. I'll pause and come back to the camera. Okay, this is the green onion. You can put as much or as little as you like, and I like to chop it very fine. So this is what I have right here. I'll break this up a little bit. Break it up a little, like so. And then I will take my hand and kind of mash my eggs up. I like my eggs to be real fine, so I mash them up with my hand. When I get everything all done, I'll pause here and I'll come right back. And sometimes I may put a dash of sugar in. It just depends. But you do it the way you do it to your liking, but I'll come right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back to show you the finished product. This is my tuna, and I have sprinkled smoked paprika on top. It is delicious. I've tried it, and here it is. And I am going to toast some bread and eat mine as a sandwich. So thank you for joining. This is Patti, Patti's Southern Kitchen. And please like, share, comment, ask questions. Please press that thumb up and tap the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. I thank you so much. I love each and every one of you. Be blessed, stay safe, and I will talk to you on the next video. Bye now.